A and B are integers. A to the B plus B to the A equal to 17. And we want to find A and B. So, we have here integers. The problem says, so at first we should work on sign of A and B. So, let's consider first case that if one of them be 0, so without loss of generality, suppose A is 0 because the problem is symmetric with respect to A and B. So if A is 0, then I can say 0 to the power of B. B to the power of 0 is 17. We know B shouldn't be 0 because then it is undefined. And it will be 0 plus B to the 0, which is 1, equal to 17. Impossible. Now, in second case, I want to consider negative numbers. Case number 2. Suppose both A and B are negative numbers. Because they are negative, so powers will be negative. And A to the B plus B to the A. So we can consider A equal to negative A prime, B equal to negative B prime. Now, we can say, for example, when you have 2 to the power of 1, negative 3, it will be 1 over 2 to the 3. It will be 1 over A to the power of, because, let me write first, A to the power of negative B prime, A prime, B prime are positive. B to the power of negative A prime, it will be 1 over A to the power of B prime plus 1 over B to the power of A prime. Now, A is integer, B prime is positive. So, the denominator is at least 1. So, whole fraction is at most 1. 1 plus 1, 2. But we know it should be 17. Gain impossible. Now, let's consider third case. One of them negative. One of them positive because we've considered 0. So one of them negative, one of them positive because the problem is symmetric with respect to A and B without loss of generality. Suppose A is positive, B is negative. So you can consider again B equal to negative, for example, B1, which B1 is positive. So here, A to the B plus B to the A equal to A to the negative B1 plus negative B1 to the power of A. So A to the negative B1 is 1 over A to the B1 plus negative B1 to the power of A equal to 17. Now, let's analyze these two terms. So, this number is integer. This number is integer, so this number also should be integer. A is a positive number. If A, for example, and B1 also positive. If A be 2 or 3, then we have this fraction and it is not integer. So the only possible case for A is when A equal to 1. Okay, so in this case, we conclude A that is positive has to be 1, the only possible case. So A should be 1. Now, if I write this for A1, it will be 1 over 1 to the power of B1 plus this part, negative B1 to the power of 1 equal to 17. And we know B1 should be positive. So if I write the first one is 1, the next one minus B1 equal to 17. And if you take this to left hand side, this to right hand side, 1 minus 17 equal to B1. So negative 16 equal to B1. So it's again impossible. So one case is left. If both of them are negative. If one of them positive, one of them negative. And the last case is both of them positive. So case 4. A and B are positive. Look, I could check this case quickly and find the answer. But it's important that you reject all other cases. So it is 17. A and B are positive. Because A and B are positive, I consider the cases for A. Case 4.1, the first case. I consider, for example, without loss of generality, I consider A is at most, A is less than or equal B. Then and I find the answer, I will switch A and B. So case for 1. A is 1, 1 to the B, plus B to the 1 equal to 17. 1 plus B equal to 17, B equal to 16. This is our first answer, or let me write here. Our first answer. Case 4, 2. We consider that A be at least 1. So if A equal to 2, case 4, 2, A equal to 2. So 2 to the B plus B squared equal to 17. If we consider B2, it doesn't work because 4 plus 4, 8. If we consider B3, 8 plus 9, 17, it works. So let me write all the answers. The first answer 1, 16, and I switch 16, 1, or A and B, the next one. 2, 3, and 3, 2 works. Let's check case 4, 3. Why I didn't check B1? Because I said A is less than or equal B. I am considering the cases of minimum number. If A is 3, 3 to the B plus B squared, B cubed, sorry, equal to 17. B starts from 3. If you check B3, the left-hand side will be so much larger than 17. So also, if you check A4, B is at least 4. The rest of the numbers are greater than 17. So we can't find any other answer. So our answers are only this. Let me write homework for you. Solve this. Suppose A to the B, consider this, minus B to the A. Okay, it is equal to 28. A and B are integers. Try to solve this and comment your answers below this video. And if you had question, if you want to learn more things, send message to my WhatsApp number in the description comments. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.